In this English verbal reasoning video, we're going to look at plurals. In simple terms, plural means more than one. Most plural words are formed by adding an s to the end of the word. For example, shoe becomes shoes. But not all plural words end in s. For example, words ending in ch, sh, s, x and z require an es at the end. Words ending in o can be either s or es at the end. Words ending in f or fe generally require ves in their place, but some words will have just s. Some words ending in y can be either s, if the y follows a vowel sound, or ies, if it follows a consonant. There are also irregular plurals, words which change their vowel sound when pluralized. Please like this video and subscribe to the My Paths channel for more content. If you're interested in quizzes, tuition or simply learning more, then visit myrtlelearning.com or follow the link in our description.